Hi guys, my name is Autumn, and this is my sister Summer. So today we are going to unbox something special inside here.
Wow!
I don't know what it is because my dad bought it for me. Anyways, it's time to unbox it.
What do you think is inside?
I don't know.
Maybe at least guess, bro. Okay, that's all. And now we have to this. Oh, what's this?
Oh my gosh! It's so cool.
What is that? What's that?
It's something that you can use to color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is it basically?
I wanna open it.
Okay.
Let's go. Look, it's coloring. I can use this to color.
Wow. And they have free stickers. Which one should we? Can we share?
Sure.
Okay. So they gave us a free sticker, guys.
Yeah.
Kuromi, and gave us pencil colors. That's like oh that's actually that is actually very accurate. So what are these? I will read. So this is a acrylic marker. It's used for drawing and more. May also used for highlights sometimes.
And we also got free stickers.
So here you go, guys. So we're gonna use this to like draw or maybe doodle on the paper. And let's try it.
Yeah.
Okay, bro. So
I'm just gonna go with black first.
okay. Your choice. Your choice.
I'm gonna draw.
I know who to draw.
Can you guess it?
No. This is my character from a game. His name is David. He's very cute and has two sisters named Ivory and Haley. So I'm too lazy to color. What are you drawing? Oh my gosh, what is that?
It's a cat.
I don't think that's. I thought that was a dog, bro.
Yeah, it's a dog like cat, bro.
It's okay. You'll learn. It's okay. So this is what I drew. My sister drew a cat that looks nothing like one. And it looks like a chihuahua or something. Or like a what even that is that, bro?
It's a cat, bro.
Okay, so I'm gonna be drawing a person out of marker. Ate, can we design your nails? Can we paint on your nails?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. I'm gonna draw hard because why not? Oh my god.
Ooh. Stylish
Oh my
nail. Stylish nail. Yeah.
Okay, let me get color blue and draw. This feels so silly. I'm sorry.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Yes.
Does it tickle?
A. It's for autumn.
Okay, and then I will put. Hey, let me put S. Let me put S. Hey, your thumb. Your thumb. Ah, that's not your thumb.
Yay!
Yay!
We made a stylish nail. Yay!
So do you guys like? Do you like our handwork?
Yes. You like it?
You like it? Do you like it, bro? You like it?
Okay.
So
Do you want to decorate this?
yeah, and now we're gonna decorate the box.
Do you want to use stickers or this?
Maybe both.
Yeah. I'm gonna go with the stickers. You're gonna go with the stickers. Okay.
All right. Oh wait. Okay. I will draw. What should I draw?
I don't
Waterfall.
know. Yes. And then write our names so we can use them both. I'm gonna draw a tree. I need color brown. So this is the tree I made. So yeah. So guys, I'm gonna draw a tree. And
The tree. That's the tree.
Yeah.
It's so wow.
And then I'm gonna draw stars.
So I'm drawing a waterfall that I saw in a game. I forgot what game it is. What is it from Roblox?
This is a tree from Minecraft.
Wow, it's so it has branches. Wow, I'm happy. So Autumn's just drawing some trees while I'm here drawing a waterfall. It's not much, but it's fine.
It's really hard.
It's just a simple little waterfall, guys. It's okay. I know it's not much, but it's funny.
Okay. I'm just trying to find. I'm not trying to find anything. We're just gonna. Okay, so guys, my dad is gonna design something that looks so good. You like it? He's designing it so good. Like, just look at my sister's. It's also pretty. Look at mine. I changed it to Sprunky. It looks so pretty.
So guys, here's the finished product. So we got Autumn's art. It's a Sprunky from a game where it has like characters singing for you. The game it's quite horrifying if you like click on one of the characters. So don't try it out, only if you're brave enough. Anyway, this is my waterfall that I drew. So it's based on like a pretty waterfall I saw once when I was a kid. Except there's supposed to be water here. I got lazy. So the waterfall is like somewhere far away from the mountains, and like you can see like the clouds, the beautiful trees, but there's no trees. Okay. So and like the water is very fresh and cold as well. And then here at the back, we got my dad's drawing. My dad's drawing is very accurate and peak, guys. He drew like a sunset with cloud. Oh no, there's no clouds. He drew a sunset with birds that I thought that was poop. A coconut tree, two big mountains at the background, and this is my dad. And this is a boat. And I hope you guys like it. So basically, guys, the reason why they didn't like add anything like any names, the product's name, where it's from, is because they left it like this, like blank, so that the receiver, the one who's gonna get the box, will be able to use the markers and draw around the box for fun, and probably put their names too if this is used in a school product. So I hope you enjoy what we did today. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.